So let us look at the derivatives of logarithms, right? Now, the derivative of natural logarithm function, d by dx, ln of x is 1 by x. And we'll just recall the properties of logarithm. So ln of x, y is ln x plus ln y, and ln x by y is equal to ln x minus ln y. Okay, and ln of x to the power of a is a ln x. Yeah, and also uh, ln x to the base b is ln x by ln b. Okay, now let us try to solve few problems on this. Now let us perform the derivative with respect to t. Okay, so f of t is t, and g of t is ln t. So d by dt of f into g is ln of t. So d by dt of t is 1 plus t, d by dt of ln, that is 1 by t. Okay, so this is ln of t plus 1. Now let us perform the derivative with respect to x for d by dx of log x to the base 10. Okay, now this can be written as d by dx of log x by to the base e and log 10 to the base e. So since log 10 to the base e is constant, so we can put as 1 by ln of 10 and then d by dx of ln x, which is 1 by x. So it is 1 by x ln 10. And let us apply the product rule here. So f of x is e to the power of x, and g of x will be ln of x. So d by dx of f into g, which is e to the power of x, d by dx of ln x plus ln of x, that is d by dx of e to the power of x, which is e to the power of x multiplied 1 by x plus ln of x into e to the power of x. So which is e to the power of x into 1 by x plus ln of x. Now let us apply the quotient rule here. So f of t will be ln t and g of t will be t. So this is d by dt of f by g, which is t into d by dt of ln of t minus ln of t d by dt into t. This divides by t square. So um, this this is 1 by t, and t gets cancelled. So you get 1 in the numerator, and this is 1. So it is ln t by t square. Now let us again apply the chain rule here. So this is u is cos x and f is ln of u. So df by dx is df by du and du by dx, which is d by du of ln u, okay, and d by dx of cos x. Now this is 1 by u, uh, or this is sin x minus sin x. So you get minus sin x by cos x, which is equal to minus tan x. Now let us look at this problem. So we'll apply this chain rule here. So u is ln of x. So f is square root of u or u to the power of half. So df by dx is df by du and du by dx. So this is now this is d by du of u to the power of half d by dx of ln x. So which is half u to the power of minus half, and this is 1 by x. So this is 1 by 2 root u into 1 by x, or we can write this 1 by 2 root ln of x into 1 by x. Now here you have base as 2. So this can be written as d by dt of ln t and ln 2. Okay. This is 1 by ln 2 and differentiation of log t will be 1 by t. Okay. So let us apply the quotient rule. Um, that is f of x is 2 to the power of x and g of x will be x squared. So d by dx of f by g, which is x squared into d by dx of 2 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x d by dx of x squared. This divides by x squared whole square. Now this differentiation of 2 to the power of x is 2 to the power of x ln 2, okay, x squared multiplied. This is 2 to the power of x and this is 2x divided by uh, x to the power of 4. Or you can take 2 to the power of x common. So 2 to the power of x. So this is x squared minus 2x. Or I can remove x1, x outside. Okay, and then this becomes x cube. Sorry, this is x ln 2 minus 2 divided by x cube. Okay, thank you for listening. Yeah, watch out for more videos and please like, share. Thank you.